My current role is secretary with the Cork County Handball Board, and I've been secretary of that board for the last 10 years. And we would have 10 clubs affiliated to the board here in Cork. And before that, I was 5 years secretary of this club here in Mallow. I am very grateful to the sport, and I have felt that it has done a lot for, discipline for my own children in learning commitment to something, to train and to compete and to learn to win and to lose. I would think it's character building. We would have travelled, the entire country for competitions since children are very, very young. Internationally then we've been to Canada, to Calgary. The World Championships were hosted there. So it is a brilliant opportunity. Now, children didn't want to come out to the handball alley and go sightseeing, but maybe they didn't appreciate it at that age. But they do now, and they look back on it and they say, thank God you made me come. I always remember the day that my own two sons won an All-Ireland together. There was just something nostalgic about it, about the two boys from the house at home and the mileage that we had done. And it was nice to get the All-Ireland medal on the day. My favourite part of it is all the friends that I would certainly have met, and child rearing was very easy, knowing that children were very happy at every event that they went to. The minute I would arrive in a car, the children were gone with their friends for a weekend or an overnight competition, and they were in a ball alley hitting that ball, and they only came back when they were hungry or looking for money. We're so lucky and privileged in the sport.
Uachtaráin and the Gradam, Liathróid Láimhe, Margaret Walsh.